Good morning, everybody. It is Monday. It is 10:25. It did like rain, like a slush crap, like rain slush something. But yeah, it looks super yellow in my room. And my hair's frizzy, still in a bun. But yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do today. My camera's gonna die. So I'm gonna just sit here and chill for a little bit and we'll see what I'm gonna do. So it is 11:32 and I haven't really left the spot. Like, I'm still in bed with my blanket and my laptop. But yeah, I haven't really left the bed, but I'm gonna go get me something to eat. So it is currently 12:21. I ate some leftover pizza from yesterday. I've currently not done much. It's still raining outside, which is ridiculous, but I'm about to get ready for work. This will be a small little tiny vlog. I just had no ambition this morning to do anything, but hopefully tomorrow I've wrote down some quotes and stuff that I want to put on pillows, that tomorrow I'll work on that. But I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.